This example from WebWork gives us an opportunity to practice multiple events, probabilities of multiple events without replacement. So they have dependent events and they have conditional probabilities. First two are pretty easy. A red marble is drawn first, followed by second event means multiply a white marble. Without replacement means we need to remember that a red marble has already been drawn. Probability of a red marble is 7 out of the total of 14. The probability of a white is a little bit different. Now that we are holding one marble in our hand, there are only 13 in our hand, 4 of which are white. Probability of two whites, a white and another white, is the probability of a white marble times the probability of a white marble, given that we've already drawn a white marble, is the white marbles are 4 out of 14 total marbles, and the white marbles in the second draw are only 3. We took one out. That means the total also went down by 1. The final question is the most complicated. A yellow marble is not drawn at all. What that means is we're looking for the probability that we do not draw a yellow marble. No yellows. On two marbles, that's the first event, the probability of no yellow, times the second event, probability of still no yellow, given that we've already drawn a non-yellow, right? We can simplify that a little bit. The probability of a yellow complement times the probability of yellow complement, given that we've already had the yellow complement event occur one time. Now, a complement means 1 minus the probability of that event, but we might not need that whole business. However, let's do it really quickly. The probability of yellow complement on a single draw is 1 minus the probability of yellow. So 1 minus, there are 3 yellows in 14, or 11 in 14. Now if you look back, not a yellow means you have 4 white or 7 red available to you. So the likelihood that you do not get a yellow is simply those 11 marbles you'd be happy with out of 14 total. So it might be easier just to count up the ones that are not yellow versus use the complement rule down here. Now when we reach back in, we have to pull out another marble, and we hope that it's not yellow again. So under the assumption that we already got a not yellow first, there's still 13 marbles in the bag. One's in our hand and it's not yellow. There were 11 that were not yellow, so now there are only 10 because we have one in our hand. So that's the simplest way to do it. Notice that this is not the question, what's the probability of at least one yellow marble? That's a different thing. We did that in class as 1 minus the probability of none yellow or 0 yellows. We could do that if we needed to, but not in this example.